Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be telling you about Project Zomboid's latest patch. So Project Zomboid just got a new update on March 31st, 2026. This patch focuses on quality of life improvements, major balance changes, and a lot of bug fixes. Firstly, starting with the UI improvements, the main menu has been updated. Difficulty options now include preview videos. This helps you understand what each mode actually feels like. Loading screen tips have been refreshed. Next up, we have occupation rebalance. This is a big one. Almost every job in the game has been reworked. The goal is to make builds more balanced and give each role a clearer purpose. For example, a police officer has better aiming and worse reloading. Carpenter now has stronger carpentry focus. An electrician has a huge buff up to 6 skill levels, and a doctor now has 6 levels in first aid. Overall, character builds are just more specialized. There's also been new traits added, such as Tinkerer, which improves maintenance, and a target shooter, which improves aiming. Up next, we have sandbox difficulty changes. The hardest mode, Extinction, is now tougher. Zombies will now sprint during the day, they chase you for longer distances, and groups are smaller but more aggressive. Next up, we have some firearm updates. Now there's new attachment visuals and new attachments added. Some weapon tweaks include rifles having bigger capacity, and sawed-off shotguns are also lighter now. Now we have more controller improvements, such as throwing corpses over fences. There's better aiming and movement controls, and devs have also fixed slow cursor issues. There have been some spawn changes, so Echo Creek has now been removed as a spawn location, likely because it was too easy compared to other areas. Vehicle and storage changes have also been added, so animal trailer capacity has been increased from 100 to 500, and trailers are now more stable and less likely to flip. Regarding multiplayer, there's also been some improvements. Devs have added DDoS protection, and this has reduced server load from animals. There's been some major bugs fixed, such as clothes disappearing, item duplication, and incorrect XP boosts. Some major bug fixes include vehicles no longer sink into the ground like they used to, animal babies won't starve randomly, and they also have a better behavior with parents. Some combat fixes include reloading now working properly, zombies will now correctly behave in fights, and overall the update has just been about improving balance, fixing core systems, and making gameplay overall smoother. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.